Papaya is a superfood that can literally heal your gut. And in this video, I thought I would show you a little bit about how and why. So firstly, papaya is the best colon cleanser. The fiber in papaya acts like a little broom, sweeping away any old fecal matter hanging around, leaving its toxins there. And here's a little tip. Don't discard your papaya seeds. They are a potent parasite cleanser, and that is for children and adults. So a quick and easy way to start a 7-day parasite cleanse is to add a large spoonful of the seeds to a blender with water and a little bit of honey to make it more palatable for children, because those seeds can taste a bit peppery. So make sure the honey is organic and natural honey, and of course it goes without saying that this won't be a cleanse if it's taken while you're also eating loads of inflammatory and gut unfriendly foods. So do this alongside a clean diet and good quality distilled water. So apart from being an amazing colon and parasite cleanser, papaya also does other things, like it releases antioxidants that can neutralize free radicals. Now we want as much of this as possible, because free radicals, which are caused by toxins and environmental toxicity like bad stuff in processed foods, smoking, alcohol, pharmaceuticals, all that kind of stuff, they kill antioxidants. So we want to get as much of this as possible. Papaya also reduces free radicals in the brain to improve neurological conditions by up to 40%. That is huge. So if you or anyone you know suffers with any neurological conditions, add papaya to your diet. Papaya can also reduce cancer risk and improve overall health, and they are also hugely anti-inflammatory. So even if you don't have an inflammatory condition per se, remember that all disease and infection is caused by inflammation. So it's something to always be mindful of. Okay, so that is a little bit about how much papaya can do for you, and just a little disclaimer from me that I haven't offered an exact cleanse protocol, just information on how to use papaya to cleanse your gut. So just make sure that if you are choosing to use papaya to cleanse your gut or to do a little cleanse, that you research and ask a naturopath or a holistic nutritionist for support so that you do it right. Okay, go buy some papaya.